Hi, it's Charles at Empress Mills, and today we are unboxing one of the popular little Prym Love sets. It comes in both pink and the Prym Love sort of aqua colour as well. They've both been popular sets. We've had them for quite a while, so I thought we would just take a look at the contents in a little bit more detail. First and foremost, it does come in a very, very handy plastic carry case. It's nice and robust, so it's perfect for taking to workshops and things. Once you've actually got all the items out from inside. It's got these two handy little clasps on that keep it all nice and secure. And then we get to the contents, which is the things we want to look at in the main. You've got this handy measuring ruler with the marked edges. One thing I will say about both of these sets is that they do only come with a centimetre scaled ruler. So if you're looking for an inch one, that would have to be a separate purchase. I always mention it because it's one of those things that comes up sometimes. So it's a centimetre scaled ruler, but they've gone to town on the detail. You've even got the little pin heads as the markers for the scale on there. So there is that. There is a marking pencil in sort of a chalky white colour for doing different darker coloured fabrics. Obviously it'll work on lighter ones, won't show quite as well, but fantastic for darker colours, and one of the most popular pencils outside of the set as well, that we sell sort of singular, is what I mean by that. Got my words a bit tangled. We've got the handy little stitch ripper, and it's one of the ergonomic stitch rippers too. So a wonderful little stitch ripper, and that comes round to form a larger handle, so nice and easy to use and comfortable. And it does come with the shaped handle, so again, it is the ergonomic option. They've put the nicer items in this set. They've really gone to town with Prym. We've got the classic fabric clips, so there's a nice, I don't know how many there is in there, but there's a nice little set of the fabric clips in there, all very handy. There is this wonderful little card, and again, they've gone to town on the detailing. It's got that sort of real traditional haberdashery feel to it as this, with the set of needles that you're getting, and it is a nice assorted set of needles. You've got sort of the fine point through to the heavier weight options in there, and as well as the needles, let me just get one out. In fact, as well as the needles, you get a pin cushion, and it is a nice quality pin cushion. They've actually used polystyrene inside, so it's quite firm, and it just holds everything really, really nicely. It's a nice little pin cushion that you get there. Moving further down, that element comes out. That's just part of the packaging, but you get that as an assortment tray, so nice and easy for organising. And then further in, we've got the Prym Love magnetic pin cushion, which again, I've actually covered in a previous video if you take a peek on our YouTube channel, but it is a super quality one. Let me just get a pack of pins to show you properly. And it really is a fantastic quality magnetic pin cushion. As you can see, it really does hold everything nice and firmly. So it's a super option there. And then finally, we've got the Prym Love stainless steel scissors. Prym go to town. They are paranoid about the quality of things like this. So you know you will be getting a lovely, lovely pair of scissors. Wonderful for cutting fabrics, snipping things, fabrics, threads and things like that. And they do come with the comfort handles. So the metal comes right down into the handle. You've got a solid plastic outer to each handle, but the inner element there and around that side is a nice softer rubber. So it's really comfortable to use, even if you're using the scissors for extended periods of time. So it is a true Prym quality pair of scissors that they've popped in. And that's it. That comes out, by the way, I will just mention it. So that's the box itself that you're left with the organizer tray, of course. So it gives you a really nice, useful box going forward. One thing I will mention about this set, it's something that Sheila, who works with us here at Empress, has mentioned, is that yes, it is perfect as a starter set, but it does give you quality items. So if you're an experienced sewer, if you've already got your sewing room up and running, this is still a nice set to add. It's lovely for taking to workshops. It's lovely for just adding the bits and bobs if you need 3 or 4 of the bits anyway. It's a super set for doing that, and then you get the extra bits as a nice little treat. It is, of course, also wonderful as a gift. It comes in the Prym Love Pink and also the Prym Love Aqua, sort of minty colour as well. That's obviously just down to personal preference. Both of the sets contain the same items. I've covered everything there. If you've got any questions at all, you know what to do. Please get in touch, leave a comment, message us through the website or any of the social channels. Alternatively, do pick the phone up. I hope that's been of interest. Thank you very much indeed for watching as always, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.